खामोश रहते हैं अक्सर वो लोग जमाने में जिनके हुनर।
Hello, everyone. Famous inspirational speaker Simon Sinek said that there's a thing called golden circle that one of the most influential and successful people in the world follow. Today we have Mr. Agarwal, and I'm gonna drop some of the mannerisms with you if that's okay. So today we have Kavish with us, and he is one of the most not just successful but one of the most kindest persons that I have ever met. So Kavish, welcome to the not I'm gonna say the show, but definitely your interview. So how are
Yeah,
you feeling?
I'm feeling good today. How are you feeling?
Well, thank you for asking. I am so much better now. Kavish, this is a thing that made me ask you why. Why did you join this field? What made you join here? Like, why?
So my inspiration has been my aunt. So my aunt, Miss Madhu Bagri, she used to be a Paralympic tennis player. But seeing her being injured while playing her favorite sport, my heart was broken. I saw how she got injured and she had no way to get back into the sport. Then, as a result, she had to shift to parachuting. So keeping in this in mind, I developed my own device, Wheel Track. So this device specializes in injury prevention and providing with personal parameters for athlete development. This device is specifically aimed for the wheelchair basketball players and in correspondence with the Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India and Sportswork 360 Foundation, I have developed my prototype over the course of the previous year starting from August 2023 till date.
Let me just tell you guys, he has also been selected in one of the most 20 influential people in the Olympism 365, which is an initiative by the Olympics. But let me tell you, the golden circle which I was talking about, the golden circle has the one main question: why? Why people do what they do? And as Kavish said, that his heart was broken and that's why he did what he did. But one more thing that we would like to know this, like, what who was the main particular person, who was your motivation apart from your aunt, of course? Like, was it your mother or father or someone else?
So it has been my mother since day one. She has supported me through all my ventures. She even motivated me to use my passion for technology and to leverage it for the betterment of the world. So being motivated and inspired by her, I decided to organize my umbrella initiative, Hope on Wheels. So this initiative as a whole tries to support disabled people as a whole. So the camp that we are here at, this is also organized with the help of special achievers. They are distributing 100 wheelchairs, special assistants, mobile phones, hearing aids, and also walkers for the blind. This also includes prosthetic limbs such as arms and legs.
Now, last question. We are not going to bother you anymore. Just one last question. The thing is that there's an amalgamation of futuristic, like the technology thing, and then there's the amalgamation of emotions. So, what do you think? Is it the mixture of both, or one is leveraging the other?
For me, it's the mixture of both. I love technology. So I've used my passion for technology to even develop an app, Access Aid. So this app provides disabled people with locations and insights into all the major locations near them, from movie cinemas to temples to metro stations. It lists down all the accessible locations and also lists the accessibility spots. For example, it shows you if there is an accessible wheelchair or ramps for you to enter through.
Okay, enough questions for the day because it is quite hot in here, quite hot out in here. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna make you show what's happening. So let's go.
काम किया हुआ है वो बहुत ही मेरे लिए एक जिसे कहते हैं कि मिसाल है समाज के लिए कि दिव्यांग के लिए जो इन्होंने ये बैटरी ऑपरेटेड, मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी जो बैटरी ऑपरेटेड ये जो व्हीकल है वो 45-50,000 से नीचे का नहीं है, क्योंकि आप सिंपल सी स्कूटी लेते हैं वो 80,000-90,000 के आसपास है। तो एक इस ट्रस्ट ने जो एक अच्छा कार्य किया है, जो दिव्यांग को नीटनेस है उसके बिना उसका कुछ गुजारा नहीं हो सकता, और ये सिंपल वाली ये भी स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड ही है। तो ये व्हील चेयर्स जो हैं ये इनके लिए एक दान साबित होती है। तो मैं तो स्पेशली जो ऐसे यंग बच्चे अचीवर्स के साथ कविश अग्रवाल जी जो इस संस्था के साथ खुद इतने मोटिवेशन है, मैं तो इनके पेरेंट्स को नमन करता हूँ स्पेशली, क्योंकि आज की जनरेशन या तो रील में या मोबाइल में या अपने उसमें फेसबुक पे कोई रहती है। मैं तो स्पेशली गिरीश अग्रवाल जी का उसका स्पेशली धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि इस में ये इस संस्था के साथ जुड़े और इसमें इनकी अपनी अंदर से इनकी जागृति हो रही है कि भी कुछ सेवा करें। तो मैं तो स्पेशली आपके माध्यम से, मीडिया के माध्यम से ये सभी को संदेश जाना चाहता हूँ कि भाई छोटे बच्चे को देखिए, आप इस एज को देखिए, बहुत इसी काम में आ गई है, क्योंकि आज हमारे समाज को सेवा की जरूरत है और उन्हें स्पेशली भविष्य